करो। First question is for $500 points. How many alphabets are in English? Options are A 22, B 26, C 24, D 28. Arush B. Gupita B. Arav B. Tanay Gagte B. Okay, so please log option B 26. Let's see. Right answer. Next question. Next question is for $1,000 points. How many vowels are in alphabet? Options are A 3, B 7, C 5, D 6. Arav B 5, C 5, Nivesha 5, Tanay 5, Lupita 5, Arush C 5. Okay, so please log option C 5. Let's see. Correct answer. Third question is for $1,000 points. How many consonants are there in English? Options are A 21, B 22, C 20, D 19. Arav 21A, Lupita A, Tanay A. Are you sure with A? Dhyani Jha A. Abhinav Mishra A. Are you sure? Okay, so log option A 20. Let's see. Correct answer. Fourth question is for $3,000 points. How many vowels and consonants are there in English? Options are A 24, B 26, C 23, D 27. Janija B, Tanay B, Arav 26 B, Lupita B, Joshna B, option B 26. Correct answer. Fifth question is for $5,000 points. A, E, I, O, U are vowels. Example, dash, foul. Options are A, B, C, and D, N. Abhinav Mishra, D, and Tanay, N, Arush, D, and Lupita, D. Dhyani Jha, D, Arush, D. Arab and D. Are you sure? And D. Joshna and please look option D and D. Correct answer. Next question is for $7,000 points. Which is a consonant? Options are A, B, C, D, M. Tanay, B. Arab, A. Abhinav Mishra, A. Lupita, A. Tanay, A. Are you sure? Think and write. Dhyani Jha, A. Okay. Joshna, A. So please look option A, O. Correct answer. Name the opposite gender of father. Options are A, lady, B, woman, D, nun. And mother. Lupita, C, mother. Dhyani Jha, C. Arush, C. Dhyani Jha, mother. C. Arab, C. Jha, confirm. Okay, so please lock option C, mother. Correct answer. Eighth question is for $20,000 points. Up to 3 male or female child is called. Options are A, child, B, baby, C, boy, D, girl. Lupita, D, girl. Arush, D, boy. Baby. Lupita, D. Dhyani Jha, D. Arab, B. Tanay, A. Think again and write. Are you sure with your answer? Dhyani Jha, yes. Okay. Please lock option B, baby. Let's see. AP is the correct answer. Ninth question is for $30,000 points. What is the plural number of child? A. Boys, B. Girls, C. Children, D. None. C. Yanija, C. Arab, C. Nisha, C. Tanay, C. Arush, C. Lupita, C. Okay, so please lock option C. Abhinav Mishra, C. Please lock option C. Children. Let's see. Correct answer. Tenth question is for $50,000 points. What singular number of women? Options are A. Woman, B. Lady, C. Girl, D. None. Tanay, A. Woman. Abhinav Mishra, A. Lupita, A. Arush, A. Arab, A. Thani, A. Doshna, B. Doshna, B. Lady. Okay, so please lock option A. Woman. Correct answer. Eleventh question is for $100,000 points. Pick out the word in following. Options are A, W, B, B, C, A, D, N. Arab, A. Tanay, A. Lupita, A. Doshna, A. Abhinav Mishra, A. Yanija, A. Arab, C. Write the options name. Arush, A. The option A or answer A, right? Are you sure with your answers? Okay, so please lock option C, A. Let's see. Option C is the correct answer. A. First question is for $250,000 points. What is the opposite of hard? Options are A, easy, C, soft, D, none. Arush, easy. Lupita, A. Tanay, A. Rani Jha A, Arav C. Please think again and write. What is the opposite of hard? Think and write. Arush C, soft. Arav C. Lupita C. Tanay C. Yani easy. Joshna C. Right, which is correct? Easy or soft? D, none. Okay, so please lock option C, soft. Let's see. Soft is the correct answer. Question is for $500,000 points. What is the name of baby of cat? Options are A, baby, B, cat, C, child cat, or D, kitten. Tanay D, kitten. Rani Jha D. Arav B. Lupita F D. Abhinav Mishra D. Joshna D. Okay, so lock option D, kitten. Let's see. Correct answer. Question is for $1 million points. Baby of a lioness is called. Options are A, cub, B, puppy, calf, C, fawn. Tanay A. Lupita A. Abhinav Mishra A. Rani Jha A. Arav Arush A. Are you sure with A? Option A. Think again and write. Okay, so please lock option A, cub. Correct answer. Congratulations. Now it's time for lucky draw. Let's see who will win today. Tanay. Congratulations, Tanay.